Alright guys, I got another place here. I'm not sure where I'm at. I was kind of told about this place by a friend down by a well-known apartment complex called Traditions here in Foley. And well, this is where I'm at right now. And we're gonna go check it out. So let's do this. Alright guys, here we are. So we're gonna check this place out. Looky here. I'm gonna make my way all the way around. So, but here's the beginning, so we're going. Looks like it could have been some kind of a failed complex. Or maybe it was existing and then failed.
More apartments around this. They built the pool house but then finished.
So I'm going in. Just making sure that we're left alone. Oh, look, guys. Look how pretty. Look. Oh, wee. It's so beautiful.
Look at the pool completely full to the brim.
Oh, my word, guys. Let's go. Let's go look at it. Look at this.
Snakes.
So we gotta be careful for snakes. They're really bad right now. This is awesome. Look at this pool. Oh wow. Holy cow. Oh, I can't wait. I'm going in. Oh, well, we can get in. Look. Let's go look at that. I know. Look. It looks like we're looking at a lake. This is a pool, guys.
Days ago, it's probably all underwater, just about.
We've had rain for 5 days straight. So,
Like something could come out of this.
I mean, there ain't no telling.
Gator.
I'm sure there's some snakes.
Or something.
Check out this grill. Right fast. And then we'll head in. Oh, look. Look at the pretty flowers. Look. Ain't that so pretty? I love that. Oh, look at that old decrepit looking. Well, ain't that decrepit, but I am. I am walking in the water. Look.
This would have been nice.
Mm-hmm. Everybody can just come out here and just use the grill. Obviously, it was communal, or what do you call that? A community thing, maybe? Whatever.
Well, they got another thing like this.
Am I zoomed in? Oh, man, guys, I'm sorry.
No. Like, I think they were going to expand the apartments, but then stop what they had, I guess.
We've got frogs. Algae.
I thought like frog.
Dude, I would not get in this water. I mean, I don't know if there's enough money that I would get in this water.
Swimming in a creek. Maybe worse.
Well, if I for $1 million, I'd swim real fast to the other side, maybe. Or doggy paddle, whatever, because I ain't a good swimmer.
This is get water, don't slip. It's kind of slippery.
Alright, I want to go in this place right now. I hope I can get in. Now, I might not be able to get in past this point right here. Obviously, people have been in here. Wow, look at this. Just look. Wow.
Oh, it's so nice in there.
Oh man, we're never gonna get in. There's no trespassing signs. Oh. Aww. I really want in here. Let's look in though. I'm gonna take it to the other window. I didn't do this for you. You're gonna see what's inside. We're gonna see. Let's go over here. Let's go to this side. I didn't let y'all see. I'm sorry. Let's get over here. Oh, look, guys. What? This is nice.
This is the community center. Okay.
Jeez, guys. I mean, like this place. Oh my gosh. Look. Can you see? I hope you can. There you go. Let's make our way around and see what we can find. I mean, I hate when I can't get into a place, but you know, you have to follow the law. There is no signs, it's just closed up. Got a little ramp right there. I love palms. Yes.
I hear an alarm.
All right, so guys, we're gonna have to leave. We tried to open a door and it almost opened, but didn't quite. And there's a little beeping sound going off now. I don't know if you can hear it, but something just moved in that water over there. I just saw a circle of. I saw it. Just because it's abandoned doesn't mean there's not some type of alarm system still, you know, hooked up, whatever. We heard a beeping sound after we did that, so we don't want no police coming. I mean, I would explain myself. I have no problem with that. But still, gosh darn it. I really wanted it in there. What about here in the front right here? I'll try.
Here.
Oh, I do, guys. Yeah, we gotta go. There's a beeping sound. It's probably gonna alert the police. Oh, we probably need to go. I'm sorry. I couldn't give you more. There was no signs. All right, we gotta go. All right, guys, as always, thank you for watching. Please like and share. And as always, please just do it. Just subscribe. I appreciate you. Would have been nice. But there's alarms going off. I can hear them. We gotta go. We gotta go. Bye, guys. All right, guys. We just left one location. We had to go. But we found another little spot right here. Just passing by in some woods. And we saw a bridge. So, a little old bridge. And we're just walking through the woods here. You see? We're just walking. Me and Mike. He's right here somewhere. Oh, look, got some old carpet there. Ooh. And we're making our way. We're making our way. Sorry for that. I'm on my way to a bridge. Okay, I'm about to get there. We're here right now. I'm gonna turn you around. Here we go, guys. Here it is. Here's the bridge. I thought it was an old metal bridge, but it's not. We have to be very careful, babe. Don't be stomping too hard. This is old. So I'm gonna try to make my way across. Here we go. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
I can't wait. I'm almost there. Look.
It's going to be part of like a walking trail for the apartment.
Guys. Look.
This is nice.
Let me show you where I came from.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
These are pretty rickety, so don't lean on
We
them.
got to be very careful where we walk. This is old wood. We fall through, we don't even know. It's slippery too, be careful. I just slipped a little bit. That's really, really slippery. Look. Am I zoomed in too much?
Trail.
No. A trail?
Well, that they were building for the apartments. And they'd had apartments and stuff, and then the pool house, and then the walking trails. Too bad they didn't finish it. I see something jump out in the water, big fish.
Did you?
I think so. You see all the ripples? And that trail, I think it goes down probably around the little pond.
I have one more house to take after this. This was just sort of a random stop, which I love. I'm fine with that. Because I'm always looking, and anytime I find something, we stop.
No bridge.
I know I saw a metal bridge, or maybe I was mistaken.
There's another little bridge. Let's see where it goes.
I'm having to go across a lot of stuff to get here, so trying to not fall. Oh, okay. Well, you know, I'm just going to add this to my last video. It's the same location. It's all added together. The last abandoned location I just filmed, I'm going to add this to it. Make it all one. Because apparently this was part of it. The complex, they're the...
I think this is man-made.
Oh, maybe. But they had like a little walking and a little...
Concrete under here.
Look there. See? Yeah.
It's going to be a walking trail around the pond.
Yeah. You know, after last night looking at the history of Fort Morgan and all, I just want to go back there so much. If you want to look up 12 most haunted places in Alabama, Fort Morgan is one of them. And I've explored there so many times. I have a video. I have a 1-minute video there. There is a voice. I believe it. I know it for sure. You don't have to tell me. I know there's something there. It spoke through my video.
You can see out here at night.
Y'all wanna? Okay. See out here and what? Feed with some cookies and feed the raccoons. Well, let's just have a nice little view, though.
It is a nice spot. Really nice spot. I wonder if that trail
You
goes
can sit
on.
right here
There's
and
more to the
fish.
trail that goes that way.
Over on this side, same. Yeah.
Let's see where that trail goes.
Yeah. There's wood down there. That was a whole walking thing. Sometimes I forget that I'm aiming low. I watch my videos back. I always watch my videos. Yes, I do. Because I want to know what I'm doing, what I need to do better. So, I need to make sure my camera's aimed up so you can all see what I'm seeing and what I'm explaining. I'm sitting here saying, look at this, look at this. Look, you see it over there? And you're like, it's there. Anyway, guys. Trust me, I know. So we're kind of going through this. Just see if there may be something over here. Somebody put is that a dishwasher? It looks like a dishwasher. Yeah. Oh, hey, little lizard. Hey, little guy. Hey, sweetie. Where'd you go? There you are. You're so cute. Hey. Hey, little guy. Isn't he cute? Yeah. So what? Yeah, I believe it says very undeveloped. I think they stopped at the bridge. Oh. I don't know if I did an outro for the last video, but here's a second outro. I'll just put it all together. I don't know how I'm going to do this. But I never know what to expect or what I'm doing when I do it. I do it. It happens, and it is what it is. But I appreciate you watching. Thank you. And as always, please like and share. And if you're not subscribed, just do it. Thank you so much.